Buenas tardes, amigos, amigas from Jocotepec. And we're looking down at the plaza right now. And guess where I am? I'm in the bell tower. And I'm up here in Señor del Monte, Parroquia, Señor del Monte. And a friend of mine brought me up here. I was given permission to take this video. And he brought me up here. We had to come up a circular set of stairs. And what a beautiful view here. Now, going this way, you can see where I'm at. And here's the church courtyard here. What a beautiful view from up here. Once again, straight down there is the plaza. And another part of Jocotepec. And we're gonna go down this way. Look at this. You get over here. There are some guys here too. Oops, I got my finger in there. Sorry about that. But this is my first time ever up in a bell tower before. So now the bells are going to be going off soon. I was told the schedule. Once again, I was brought up here up a circular staircase, and I'm gonna get over here if I can. I'm gonna get up here and oh, okay, I had to climb up a little bit there. And here is Jocotepec. Right here. And then you can see the mountains on the south side of Lake Chapala there. Sunset is going. And I'll show you once again. These are scheduled to go off pretty soon. So I'm gonna cut this video. I want to say thanks for viewing. I appreciate the gentlemen who were up here and the gentleman who brought me up here. And there's some really nice views here of Jocotepec. So with that, tap on that notification bell and you'll be notified of upcoming videos. Please give these videos a thumbs up, like, tap on that, and also subscribe to this channel. And thanks for viewing. You can see pigeons up there, and this is a first for me. So thanks for viewing. Adios, amigos.